Is your Android battery draining too fast? In this video, we'll explore why this happens and share 10 essential settings to help you improve your battery life. Remember, a fast-draining battery doesn't always mean your battery is damaged. Often it's just heavy software usage. Background processes, screen settings, and weak signals can all impact your power. You have the power to fix these issues. Setting 1. Check your battery usage. Navigate to Settings, then Battery, and open Battery Usage. Identify applications that are consuming significant power, especially those you don't use often. Understanding the battery drain matrix is key. Features like high screen brightness, high refresh rates, gaming, weak 5G signals, and GPS navigation have a high impact on your battery. Adjusting these can lead to significant savings. Settings 2 and 3. Manage your screen. The display is a major power consumer. Lower your brightness, enable adaptive brightness, and consider reducing your refresh rate to 60 Hz or standard mode. Settings 4 and 5. Control your screen time. Idle screens waste energy. Turn off the always-on display or switch to tap to show and shorten your screen time out to 30 seconds to save power. Setting 6. Restrict background apps. Apps often track locations or sync files secretly. Find battery-heavy apps in your settings and set their background usage to optimized rather than unrestricted. Setting 7. Limit location tracking. GPS navigation is a major drain. Go to your location settings and update app permissions to allow location access only while using the application. Setting 8. Optimize your network. If you're in an area with unstable 5G coverage, your modem will work overtime. Switching to 4G or LTE can stabilize your connection and save significant battery power. Setting 9. Stop needless syncs. Notifications wake your phone, and background cloud backups consume power. Disable notifications for apps you don't need, and turn off autosync for accounts you don't actively use. Setting 10. Check physical health. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time. Check your battery health indicator. If your device is several years old, you may simply need a physical battery replacement. The golden rule? Do not force close all your apps. Android is designed to manage applications automatically. Reopening a completely closed app often uses more power than simply resuming an optimized one. Here is your 10-point checklist to review. By adjusting these settings, you can manage your phone's power more effectively and get the most out of your device. You deserve a phone that lasts all day. We hope these tips help you get the most out of your device. Let's check your settings together right now.